Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Mad up on yourself, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. I'm here with Megan.
Hey.
We just apart from the supermarket. We see two fans. Yo, when you see me now, you can ask me for a picture, you know. We hear them attacking aisle. I say, take a picture. What did I say first? Let me say something. That's him. Like, they make it so awkward a while ago. When we see them. All when we are left out of the store, like the girl try video me a while ago, you know. And I turn around and look on her. Them a look we dead in her face.
Then she put her phone down.
And she put her phone down when she see me turn around and look back for her. Like, nigga, you have a video me and not say nothing to me. She hold on her phone fast. But big up everybody who see me in a public and scared for say something. When you can't talk to me, trust me. Me not really. Me not pre people as oh, you can't talk to me or say hi or take a picture. I love take picture with people, I not lie. I forgot barber shop too, you know. Keep on I say that. See Granny there, look.
Again.
Yeah, she gonna right there, she gonna sit down. That's crazy.
That's funny how we saw her from way up there.
Yeah.
Ended up right in front of us.
Damn. But yeah, we did drive go home, you know. And I'm so forward back. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, guess what? The vlog just dropped. Not vlog. The short film slash web series just dropped. And it a go on good. Me run up on the road, go do it something and just a fall back. And she there with me. Peace of your show. We don't get busy peace, but the web series just dropped. Hope you like it. So far me I see oh shit, I almost dropped my phone. So far me I see everybody feedback on it. Thank you for the love and support, isn't it? Right, watch what I go on right now. We're watching TV and we just on share some curry and white rice. Curry shrimp, white rice. Share belly full. She'll leave in the morning for go to New York. She have some things I gotta do with her New York. And she'll go for 3 days. Right? You gonna miss her? You lying. You gonna call me? Are you gonna call me? And be annoying every day?
No.
Okay, good girl. Good girl.
You gonna miss me?
Yeah. Me gonna miss you.
Or you need a break?
Me need a break too, but me gonna miss you. This is real life. But yeah, we there do it for vlog. I just eat my belly full, wanna sleep.
Why are we always wearing black?
Black our color, we like wearing black. But yo, make sure you go watch Obsession. Isn't me a mad thing? I love it, isn't me? I love the first episode. Hope you like it. Share it with a friend, isn't me? Hopefully me and Gyalis we can do the next part them for now. If not, yo, me still have in our works, me still have to plan some other short film and web series, you know. But with the one me just drop with me and Gyalis, if we continue it, we not gonna know. You see me, I just me and Gyalis have to go find a time when we are going to continue it, you see me? But for now, we are putting in work. And I want to drop some more things, yo. I want to buy a camera today, I tell her. So I'm going to get a camera and a new computer. Hopefully this week, I'm going to get a camera and a computer. You see me? Strong for the manifestation. Me guzo strong. What kind of camera?
Yeah.
I pick between Canon and Sony. Me use both of them before, so I don't know. I'm gonna probably get a Black Magic.
What's that?
Black Magic camera, them bad.
What is that?
Cinema. It's a cinematic camera.
Oh.
You see me? But yeah, vlog well. This week, hopefully.
What? I gotta sit up.
This week, hopefully. We're gonna see what I'm going. And I'm gonna get a camera. I'm gonna get a. You're not sure. You say you're sure already. You know, it started, so you don't care. But We are doing fee vlog. Oh, early in the morning.
Yo.
Early in the morning, I go carry her to the airport. She go to New York, as me that said before. So, she have a flight early in the morning. And you know, come to the airport with me. Early, right? At 7?
We have to leave at like 5:45.
Alright, so we have to leave out early. You know, I go vlog as much as I can. I'm going to take a nap. Talk to you tomorrow. Here, mother put myself. And we're going to do it for you vlog. Remember, click the link in the description and go watch the next video after this. Obsession, the web series. If you don't want more, let me know. Write in the comment section. Tell you what your favorite part. Right, Gallus, right, me, right, Megan.
What?
Huh?
You said the wrong name.
What?
You said Megan.
Oh, I know Megan, she named in that show. She named Chloe. Chloe. Yeah, she named Chloe in that show. But you can write me, but I really me and Gallus still. You don't have to write me and Gallus. It's between me and Gallus we set a date when we are going to shoot again, you see me? And then we can communicate with Chloe. So yeah, we are doing it for you vlog. Go on mother upon yourself and thing. So vlog girl, good morning. It's 5 in the morning and we're going to the airport. My girlfriend's gonna leave and we're doing it for the vlog. She just packing, y'all. She just a pack up her thing then. Just. All food you have in that.
Stop.
Why you never take it away yesterday?
Because I forgot. I was so
Jesus
tired.
Christ. You go put in our kitchen. Where are you going with that?
Put in the closet.
5 in the morning. Dimmy, and we going to the airport. And I'm vlogging all this experience for you guys. She hurry up on her pack right now. She not carry a lot of stuff still. She just carry our naps, our purse bag and thing. So me soon like the series. A mad thing. Big shout out to everybody who are part of it. And hopefully we can continue it, you see me? I say hopefully, because we did just do this. This wasn't what we did supposed to do, but we changed up the idea in the last minute and still drop this on the watch, you see me? So go watch it if you don't watch it yet. You see me, to fuck up a place. Click the link in my bio or go watch the last video. I eat that. Obsession, you see me? It look like it can turn into something magical. Let's see. A long time I now wake up so early in the morning, dog. Look at my skin is glowing. I only probably have 2 bumps over here, so but she do it, you know? Yeah man, but we're gonna go check out Obsession and hopefully we can make some more content for you this week too. I wanna shoot some more short film, probably a 30-minute one. Look out for it, you see me? A lot of works in I'm making. I want to get a camera. I not stop so I get a new camera this week. A mad thing. You ready, baby?
Not yet.
She's still packing. So while she pack, we're gonna go and wait. I'm gonna do it for you vlog for the airport. So ladies and gentlemen, we reached the airport. I'm driving my baby car.
Don't even record my crazy crabs. Bye.
Safe travel. Come in Milwaukee in that place. Come.
Really?
Yeah. I don't want anything to do you. I don't want them to take you away. Come on.
See you.
I'm walking with you. I want to make sure you go in the line. The police have to go away. Early in the morning. I got firing. Yeah. Alright, bye bye. I got firing. They grew up so fast. Oh God. Alright, so I'm about to go home. I edit this so I can get it. I do it for vlog. Oh, it's cold here in Florida. So vlog girl, I reach home and thing. I'm about to go cook some rice. I'm thinking in the morning, yeah. Early in the morning, I have a vlog for edit for you. So I try to knock out that. And then today, I have some errands to run again. I plan on next short film. So if you're interested, you can link me DM or email me at trabasstv@gmail.com. You see me? I will try to work out something. But me have some other film for shoot, you know, but me wait for things for shoot them, but me still want to continue shoot content, you see me? So let me know what I'm going, you see it? But we are going to the vlog like this. Mother upon yourself. Thanks for watching, enjoy on the day, and I really appreciate everyone who take the time out for watch a video for me. And I can't talk about it every time I talk about it, I just get emotional. I'm a girlfriend, God, I'm alone there. Oh, what me I gonna do?
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.